to show just the fitting of the butterfly whisk into the Thermomix mixing bowl. So the way we put it, the mixing bowl blades are like 4 blades. So we fit it on that middle, but we need to turn it just a little bit clockwise. And then I try. If I'm able to pick up my Thermomix mixing bowl with my butterfly whisk, that means it's a fit. If what happened now, that means it's not. So I'm gonna go to the cross side. So again, and it's usually the larger side. So I'm gonna turn it this, and then see now, it's not gonna. So before, when they ask us to put the butterfly whisk, we need to make sure we put it in, turn it a little bit clockwise, and then pick it up and see if it's a fit. If not, then I try the second size. So that's for the butterfly whisk. Many customers forget about the splash guard. This is the splash guard. This is what we use for sauteing and for soups. So when it's ask you to put it on, so you just remove the measuring cup, and then you replace with the splash guard. And then of course the Thermomix is gonna, the brackets are gonna close over the side of them. One more thing is, how do we dismantle like the bottom of the mixing bowl for cleaning? Of course, everyone knows that the Thermomix has a pre-clean mode that you can select and just add some water and a drop of soap. But let's say you want to make sure that you cleaned everything underneath. So all you have to do is hold your mixing bowl like this, fit your fingers in this hole, and then put your thumb underneath this and then twist to open. So make sure the blades are sharp, so make sure you either hold it from here or from here. And then this can go on the bottom of your dishwasher rack, and then the plastic part on the top one. To put it back in, just same thing. Put back in, fit in into the hole like this. Then put this one, just leave this little tongue, towards the side, and then put it back towards the middle until it's clicked back in. And that's it. Voila.